So what's up guys, Joseph Godwin right here. I'm super excited to bring you this brand new video. So in today's video we're just going to be explaining the application which traders use in placing trade, that is execution of trade, and also in closing trade. This is gonna be Android user interface. So the name of the application is MetaTrader 5, which you can see rightly here. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store, then type MetaTrader 5 or MT5. Then it will bring it out. You can use MetaTrader 4, but the one I mostly use is MetaTrader 5. So with that said, just if you after you might have downloaded the app, just click the application. If you have clicked the application, you'll be seeing a lot of things here. So let me go to the first aspect here. So this is quote plus and this pen too, and down here we have the quote again, chart, trade history and message. So if you want to add any currency pair, but if you open the application initially, it will show a lot of currency pairs here. Maybe if you don't like them or if you don't trade them, you can just click something like this. Then if you click something like this, everything will show about the chart. So if you want to delete them, you can just click this pen tool. After clicking the pen tool, then you press you press delete, then you click the particular currency pair you want to delete. After doing that, then you now press delete. It will go immediately. So if you want to add any currency pair as well, you can click this plus icon. After clicking the plus icon, let me see if you want to add the same code XAUUSD. After doing that, then after doing that, you now click on the currency pair and it will show right here. Let me see. Let's do another example. Let's add Euro USD. Euro USD. Sorry. See, this is what I'm saying. So if you want to see everything about it, you just click here, new chart, new order. If you want to make more order again, chart, property, depth of market statistics, and simple view. What that simple view simply means, if you want it to be very simple without all these functionalities, you just click simple view. If you don't want it to be like that, but the one that I mostly use is advanced view. So that's that for that one. So this is chart. So everything here is basically simple and it is user friendly. So if you want to make use of, maybe if you want to place your stop loss and you want to quickly recognize it, you can press this plus icon button and you will navigate wherever you want to put your stop loss and you take profit. Take for instance, we want to put our stop loss here below this recent low, that is 1.27845 or 86. So after that, that is how you can quickly or easily recognize your stop loss and take profit points. So that's that for that one. And the next one here is, you can see the indicator side. If you want to add an indicator to your chart, like the one I have here, which is traders dynamic index, you click here and everything will show. But if you click here, nothing is gonna show because I already have traders dynamic index chart, index indicator on my chart. That's why you can see all these ones here. So if you want to know how to import this traders dynamic index indicator to your chart, just I made, I think a couple of weeks back, I made video regarding this traders dynamic index chart. You can just go back and watch the video and explain everything, how to plot it and how to use it. I explain everything right there. So that's that for that one. The next one here is the time frame. I'm a day trader, so I make use of 15 minutes time frame. So my main trend is 4 hours, current trend 1 hour, and my execution time frame is 15 minutes. So if you want to go on all those time frame that I mentioned just now, this is how you can get them: 4 hours, 1 hour, and 15 minutes. So that is that for that one. So what that simply means is that, sorry, what that simply means is that each candle closed after 15 minutes. Like this particular week candle closed, open and closed after 15 minutes. So if I click on 1 hour, this particular candle again open, this particular week candle, or this particular candle this particular account to open and close with a range of 1 hour, likewise 4 hours and others. So that's that for that one. Now let's go to the other one, which is this. If you want to place buy limit, sell limit, like if you want to place pending order, this is where you can basically place them. So maybe in our subsequent class I'll be telling you guys how to place buy limit and other forms of market execution. So the next one here is this other functionalities. If you want to place your buy, if maybe you want to buy in the financial market, you can just place this and you buy here, you sell here. Now this is your lot sizing, where you can place your lot size. Let me say if I want to use one for one standard lot, 0.1. That's one standard lot. So in our subsequent class I'll still be teaching you guys on this lot size of it. Without making this video complicated, I'm just gonna be explaining the beginners friendly what everything means in this in the MetaTrader 5 app. So this is buy and this is sell icon. So with that said, let's go to the next aspect here, which is this. This is another interface of this everything that is here, which is the 15 minute, 5 minutes time frame and 4 hours time frame. It's just the shortcut of everything that I just rightly explained here. So the next one there is for you to go to the next one, which is trade. So this is the my account balance, which is 10,000. The equity is 10,171.50 the pre margin. I don't have any trade running now. That is why you can see that that there's nothing like there's no trade. I'm not in any position, and that's that for that one. So this trading history basically explain your history, like everything that you've been doing on your chart, which is this trading history. So I don't have any position now. That's why it is right here. Maybe if you want to go on any, maybe like last week, last month, 3 months, and custom period. So that's basically everything. So message here, I don't basically use it. Maybe if you want to speak with traders online, you can just register for it, but I don't use them. So that's that for that one. Is there anything left over? Okay, I think I should explain this point for you guys so that you can basically understand. Like if I don't want to make use of this time frame, I can just come here and press 1 hour, 4 hours and 5 minutes. You understand? But like if you just click on the screen, it display all these icons. So if I want to draw any line now, maybe I want to draw trend line, I can basically come here, this angle area, press it, then I'll go to my trend line, then I'll just draw from anywhere I want to draw from, and it will be there. So that's basically much it. So if I want to delete, I will hold it and just come to this place and press delete. So if I want to add psychological level, like all those will add box that are in my on my chart, on my main chart, I'll come back to this place again. This is the line, then I'll press it. Maybe if I want to click, psychological level and random number that ranges from like something like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So let's see the nearest psychological level here, which is 1.27500. Yeah, that is the psychological level here. So if you don't understand, it's not a problem. I'm gonna be teaching you guys maybe on our subsequent class on how to plot all these things. So what's next again? I think I've explained everything here. There's nothing much again. So the next one here is just for you to see the maybe the OHLC and the stop loss level, all those things. Yeah, very much pretty simple. So watch this video over and over again, because you can't get everything, you can't learn everything in one day. Forex trading is something that you learn subsequently as you proceed. You understand? Watch this video not once, not twice, not 3 times, just continue watching it. And the best thing for you to help yourself is you practicalizing everything that you've been learned, that you've been taught, sorry. So you practicalizing it, you develop some more concepts that I don't even like that I don't even make mention of. So because the best way to learn is for you to practice. You understand, right? The knowledge that you develop by yourself is very, 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 very much understandable compared to maybe the one you learn. I'm not demystifying the fact that you can learn from any other person, but I want you to just understand the concept that I mean here. So if you like this type of content, it is very sweet, it's short and straightforward. I don't want to complicate anything for you here so that you won't get confused. Watch this video over and over again, like I said, and you will see that you understand everything about MT5. So if you like this type of content, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. Smash the like button. Share this video to your loved ones, your family, and everybody. Post it on your Instagram, YouTube, and WhatsApp status as well. So if you want to get access to me, you can just go straight to the description box. You can get access to my WhatsApp number. I'm only on WhatsApp. I'm not on Instagram, Facebook, and that place. I make use of WhatsApp and YouTube. So smash the subscribe button, like this video, and thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Thank you guys for watching.